Hey everyone, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix all corrupted files in Windows 11. So if your Windows PC is acting up, I'll walk you through a few methods to fix system issues step by step. So first, go to the search bar and type CMD, right-click, and choose Run as Administrator. Then click Yes when prompted. Now once it opens, type this command, SFC space slash scan now, and press enter. So as you can see, it's beginning the system scan, so the process will take some time. So this will scan your system for corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them if possible. So just wait for it to finish. It may take a few minutes. After that, we'll run another command. So in the same window, so you want to type in DISM space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. Then press enter. So this tool checks deeper system issues and repairs the Windows image itself. Again, give it time to complete. Now, if the problem still isn't fixed, here's the next method. So go back to the search bar and type reset this PC and open it. Here, look for the option that says fix problems using Windows Update and tap on reinstall now. So this will reinstall your current version of Windows while keeping your files, apps, and settings intact. So click reinstall now. If you want to proceed, you can also enable the option to automatically restart your PC after installation to make things easier. So then click on OK and let the process run. Now, if your issue is still isn't resolved, there's one less option. So go back to the same screen and click on Reset PC down here under Recovery Options. So click on Reset PC. Now, before doing this, make sure to back up all your important files because this step can remove everything depending on the option you choose. Once you're ready, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your computer, and that's basically it. These are some of the most effective ways to fix Windows system issues and get your PC running smoothly again. Thank you for watching.